This year, Pandora celebrates their 20th anniversary of the Pandora Moments Charm bracelet. I am so excited to join Pandora in celebrating this special moment in time. The first Moments Charm released was the Strawberry Charm. To start off the celebrations, I was inspired by this and chose to share my first Pandora charm, the Moonstone Charm. This charm represents a very personal journey through an illness and how I overcame it victoriously. Every time I look down at this charm, I am reminded of a peaceful moment in time and a feeling of renewed strength and self-worth. I still remember the moment I discovered Pandora. I was with a friend who I met through my recovery, and she was just so sweet and amazing, and we stumbled upon the store that carried Pandora. I remember instantly falling in love with the concept of a charm bracelet and how a bead could represent and mean so much more than just a piece of jewelry. I loved the Moonstone Charm. This charm first caught my eye, and I remember really wanting to get it, but at the time I thought, well, maybe I'll just wait a little bit. So it took a little while, but I finally caved, and I remember going over to Pandora and purchasing this charm and my first ever bracelet. This charm was the top on my list because at the time I was really attracted and wore quite a lot of moonstone jewelry. I had a moonstone necklace that I loved to wear, a ring, earrings, and now a very special pendant on a bracelet. I hoped to fill up with all the things I was going to accomplish now that I had my health back. I was so excited to make dreams come true, to achieve my goals, and to just get out in the world and celebrate. I love the beautiful oxidized detail, the genuine moonstone, and the beautiful silver detailing of this charm. It really does remind me of that classic Pandora look. I paired this charm next to the Heart of Freedom. I love this charm because of the message. First, it says free on the back, and that's how I felt when I left that hospital that day. I also love the message that sometimes you've got to fall before you fly. I learned so much from the battle that I went through, and a lot of the times I did fall, and I kept falling until that one time that I just tried again, and I was able to defeat it and overcome it. So I love this charm. I think it's a really special meaning and message. Both the Moonstone Charm and the Heart of Freedom charm have found their home on my inner self-themed Pandora bracelet. Every charm on this bracelet represents something that makes me feel strong, that reminds me of a time that I didn't think I was going to achieve something, and somehow, with hard work and determination, I was able to. This bracelet is really special to me, and whenever I'm going through a really hard time, I love to wear this bracelet as it kind of just gives me this peaceful feeling and just a really nice reminder on my wrist. One of the other special charms on here is the Ugly Duckling charm. This really reminds me of the journey I went through and the journey just to self-love and to self-acceptance. I think that is something that as a woman, I think we all go through as a teenager, trying to be comfortable, in our own bodies and who we are. So I love this charm, and that's one of the meanings it represents for me. I also just love fairy tales, so have to have the Ugly Duckling. I also have symbols of my faith. I have angel wings again represented with the feathers, light as a feather. I have some beautiful opalescent detailing with spacers and radiant heart charms and the geometric facets. These colors look so beautiful together, and they're very calming and soothing. And I think that's one thing that I love about wearing this bracelet, especially when I'm stressed, is that I just look down at it and it just makes me feel really grounded. And all the memories in each charm just really make me feel that, you know what, it's going to be okay. Everything is going to work out a-okay. Now, I thought it would be fun to share with you how I style my Pandora Moments bracelet with other jewelry in my Pandora collection. The first item I'm going to share with you is the Pandora Pendant, and I personally think it's a must in any Pandora collection. It is the light as a feather Pandora Pendant, and it's this beautiful sterling silver pendant with cubic zirconia detailing. It matches beautifully with my light as a feather charms on my bracelet. And what I love about this necklace is that it's still very elegant while being a statement piece. I love wearing it with a white blouse especially. I think it just really pops out. Next, I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorite Pandora rings to wear with my Moments bracelet. The first one, of course, is Nature's Serenity. This is a moonstone and topaz sterling silver ring. The look of it really reminds me of that classic vintage Pandora look. It is such a statement piece, and I actually wear it as a thumb ring because I actually couldn't get it in my desired size, but I absolutely love wearing it as a thumb ring. I also have two Pandora rings that I love to stack together. Both have a lovely spring feel, which I feel like spring is always a time of renewal, and my inner strength bracelet definitely suits that theme as well. I love the daisy ring. I think it has a beautiful touch of sparkle to your finger, and I love the little bird ring. I mean, that is just the sweetest. Moving along, the last Pandora item I have to share with you are my favorite pair of earrings. These are my first Pandora earrings as well, and they are the light as a feather earrings. These are so beautiful. I actually had a set originally with little hoop backings, but I ended up switching out for the stud, and I just love these. They're very elegant, and there's something special about them where you can dress them up or down. I've actually worn these to a couple weddings, and I also wear them casually, again with my favorite white blouse. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed hearing about my first Pandora charm. I would love to know what your first Pandora charm was, or if you don't have a Pandora charm yet, which one would you love to purchase? Anyway, you guys, I look forward to sharing with you more special moments each month as we celebrate Pandora's 20th anniversary of their Moments charm bracelet. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.